Here we have a BMW, and we have replaced the brakes and also the brake wear sensors. But once you do that, you have to come on the dashboard and reset the brake pad interval, because you can see there you have the brake warning light still on, the message, and the light on the dashboard. So to do that, we're going to use these buttons here, the check button and reset on the instrument cluster, to reset that brake light right there. So what we'll do is we'll turn the key to 1-2 clicks. If you have a push start, you get in the car, hold that start button, but do not start the car. So once you do that, all your lights will turn on. Press check right here until you see the date. Once you see the date, press and hold the reset button right there. And you are in service mode. Once that symbol turns on, right here we have the rear brakes. We want to press and hold that now again. And it says reset with a question mark. And that should be reset. And you can see the color change from red to orange. So now you know that you're able to reset it. And you can see the brake light went away. And that allowed us to reset it. Now if you cannot reset it, for example, if you only did the front brakes, you might not be able to reset it if you have a message for the rear brake lights as well. And